Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Truremedy brand, their natural tea tree, peppermint, and eucalyptus oil soap bars. This is a 5-pack. These work at all skin types to moisturize and clean your skin, and they deodorize also all naturally. I've had these bars before. They last a really long time. They say they last 3 times longer than regular soap bars. I believe that. They're made in the United States, cruelty-free manufacturing. They're vegan, non-GMO, and there's no dyes used in the production of these. So if you want a natural soap bar that will clean you naturally, this is the one you want to try. Now, let's take a look at them. I'm going to open one of these up, show you what they actually look like. I wish you could smell what they smell like, 'cause it's pretty awesome. But that's your basic bar, all natural. Oh, the smell is just so good. You smell the tea tree oil, you smell the peppermint that's in there. Now, when you look at the ingredients of this bar, it's pretty amazing. I mean, it looks like something that you would eat. It's organic this, organic oils, you know, it's all very interesting and clean ingredients. And you just wonder, how does this become a soap bar? Well, I'll tell you what they do. By combining these ingredients, the oils and the combination of everything in here, it cleanses your skin because it uses the concept of what soap does. It lifts dirt away and it moisturizes your skin. Really, really impressed with this product, the quality of the soap and the quality of the ingredients. I've tried them before. I'd highly recommend you give them a try. It's really, really good soap. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating.